At St. Peter's Church, Battersea in London, the vicar, the Reverend H.G. Kelsey, believes that the harvest should be a time of thanksgiving not only for the fruits of the earth, but also for science's many gifts, which in his view do so much to make life worth living. So in his procession to the church, he includes not only the sheaves of wheat and the baskets of fruit and vegetables, but also a wireless set, afterwards given to St. Dunstan's, a model railway engine and a model aeroplane. And representing the sea services, which have played so large a part in the life of Britain, comes a contingent of naval cadets. Says the vicar, without the fruits of the earth we should starve, but without the fruits of scientific invention, life would be unbearable. One member of his congregation thinks life is unbearable anyway. The vicar of another St. Peter's church at Titchfield in Hampshire is perhaps even more practical. Each year at this time he holds a toy service at which literally thousands of toys are sent to the church and later distributed among the hospitals of the district. When Canon G.S. Morley started this idea in 1921, 172 toys were received. This year the number approaches 2,000, and over 2,000 people come to the service. But in Italy the word harvest has a different meaning. To them it signifies the end of the gathering of the grape crop. The grapes, which are to be turned into soft, sparkling Italian wines, to banish the cares of the pessimists all over the world. And so the Italian grape pickers celebrate in their way.